Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar, like I said in my most recent video, I think this is more the shape of an ABC right here, and if that is the shape of an ABC, which it definitely looks like it is, then it probably is going to go up and take out these previous highs right here. If you go up to the higher time frames, this pair has been making three-way patterns for actually several months now on the higher time frames, so it makes sense for it to continue to range around. Now, we're supposed to have non-farm payroll news coming out today, but because of the U.S. government shutdown, it may not actually not happen today. I think that we need to continue to be bullish. I mean, maybe it will pop down and hit a fib level again, but I still think that we potentially could even be like a 1, 2, 3, or maybe even an ABC to the upside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up right here. We definitely did already make what could be a complete ABC correction. That right there may be the end of a pullback, and it may actually just continue the uptrend from here. We possibly could already be in the wave 3 or the wave C. Now, if the news does come out today, or if there is news about the government shutdown or something like that, we definitely could get like a volatility spike. It could possibly go down, take out these lows, and then maybe spike back up. So definitely be very, very careful. I mean, it is definitely a little bit of an uncertainty about what's going to happen with the U.S. government shutdown. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.